He is making a canoe out of a tree in the middle of the jungle. This is amazing. I've been watching him here. It's taken him about 6 days to get to this point, to get this tree trunk trimmed. It's going to probably take him another 4 days before he has the canoe built. So this is how the natives build their canoes in the jungle. He started with a tree like this. Actually, this is the tree he cut. And then he cut it, and now he's making canoe out of the other part. I just realized that the young man here that's making the canoe has the Detroit Tigers cap on. Small world. Taking a break and getting some water out of a stream.